So here's what we're looking at. Minn Kota just announced the Riptide Kayak Terrova, and the name tells you a lot. Riptide means saltwater-rated, corrosion-resistant components, sealed internals, built to survive the stuff that kills freshwater motors fast. And Terrova means you're getting their full flagship feature set, not a stripped-down kayak version. That combo hasn't existed before in a package sized for a kayak. The big headline features, you're getting Spot Lock, Minn Kota's GPS anchor technology, which holds your position automatically in wind and current. On a kayak in saltwater, that is massive. You're also getting iPilot with Bluetooth control, so you can adjust speed, heading, and spot lock from your phone or a compatible remote without reaching for the motor. The motor head is designed specifically for kayak mounting geometry. Lower profile, optimized for the tighter deck space on a kayak hull. Minn Kota hasn't released full thrust specs or shaft length options yet as of this announcement, but they're positioning this as purpose-built, not adapted. We'll have those numbers in the full review. Let me put this in context. Saltwater kayak fishing has exploded over the last 5 years. Redfish, snook, tarpon, species that live in skinny water where a boat can't go. And the number one problem these anglers have had, staying put. You're in tidal current, you've got wind pushing you, and you're trying to make a precise cast to a specific piece of structure. Without a reliable anchor point, that's a constant battle. Spot Lock solves it, but until now you either bought a freshwater Terrova and hoped it survived the salt, which it won't long-term, or you went with a lesser motor that had the saltwater ratings but not the smart features. That gap is exactly what the Riptide Kayak Terrova is filling. I think this is a genuinely smart product move from Minn Kota. The kayak fishing market is serious money now, and saltwater kayak anglers have been underserved on the high-end trolling motor side. This isn't incremental. This is them planting a flag. All right, let's get specific. If you are a saltwater kayak angler running a freshwater Terrova or any freshwater trolling motor right now, you already know the maintenance headache. Rinsing it religiously, watching for rust, questioning every season whether it'll start. The Riptide Kayak Terrova is built for what you're actually doing. When pricing drops, this is going to be worth a hard look. If you've been running an older Riptide motor without spot lock, this is a meaningful upgrade. GPS anchor hold on a kayak changes how you fish. Full stop. Now, who should wait? If you're a freshwater kayak angler, this isn't your motor. The Terrova lineup has freshwater options, and you don't need the saltwater premium. Also, if you're on the fence and not specifically fishing salt, check pricing on whatever outgoing inventory shakes loose when this hits shelves. Dealers may discount older Riptide models to move them. That could be real value for the right buyer. Minn Kota announced the Riptide Kayak Terrova on October 15, 2025. Pricing has not been officially released yet as of this video. Given that a standard Riptide Terrova for boats runs well over $1,000 depending on thrust and shaft length, expect this to be a premium buy. We'll update pricing in the description the moment it's confirmed. For availability, check minnkota.johnsonoutdoors.com and your local marine dealer. We'll link everything below.